Ishan and welcome back to my channel. Guys, guess why am I so happy and who is the sponsor of this video? Shit. Just dropping some hints for you. First, it's a clothing brand. Second, it's my favorite brand as well as like every girl's favorite brand. And the clothing line is just amazing. Guess. No, this is the Savannah. This is the sister brand of Urbanic.
So this is love. So this is love. So
I am so freaking happy. I'm so excited to open this box and let's just do it because your girlie can't contain her excitement. So before we start this haul, let me just brief you guys about what kind of clothes I have purchased. I have purchased a very basic and very mummy kind of clothes that will definitely make you as well as your mom happy. You can literally wear it anywhere you want. It's kind of a must-have for everyone. Let's just go. First thing that I have is here in this jeans. Guys, the twist is about to unfold. Da-da-da! Okay, it's the baggy ripped jeans. And guys, look at these buttons. You really need not have a belt for this. Like the fit is just perfect. I'll try this out and show it to you guys. The fit of this jeans is so good. Look at the waist. You can adjust the size from here. On the clothes, you have to make sure that you go down to the comment section and rate the outfits out of 10. Also, let me know if it's a hit or a miss, but for me it's definitely a hit because I'm gonna keep it. And now it's time to pair the jeans with a lot of chic, classy tops. Let's go. The most basic of all is this blue oversized shirt. I literally had an eye for so long on this blue shirt. The color is pastel, it's so good, and the fabric is linen. Like linen fabric just screams classy on its own. Okay, so I think if you're gonna wear anything white inside it, it's definitely gonna give that very pretty look, and this is just perfect for going to any college or just going to the market. Then comes this very pretty and very cute grey t-shirt. If you guys know me very closely, you know California is one of my favorite cities. This t-shirt is definitely going to be in my wardrobe. Let's just try this out. Okay, it's a baby tee and that's how it looks. And guys, the print of this t-shirt is not that basic plastic one. Okay, इसमें ये पूरा thread work है and the quality is again 10 on 10. It's just perfect for summers. Okay guys, quick heads up, all the attention on me. I know बहुत सारे लोगों का अभी से खरीदने का मन कर गया होगा. So I have got a great offer for you that I have got this coupon code that's appearing on the screen. If you're gonna use this coupon code, you'll get a great discount for yourselves.
So Savannah by Urbanic is having a huge sale from 10th to 12th of May. So don't forget to check the app.
All the links of these outfits are there in the description box. You can go and check that out. The next piece of clothes, you are just gonna fall in love with it. I've got mini skirts, I've got shorts in my wardrobe, but skirts is one thing that my wardrobe was missing out on since a long time. So here is the one. Firstly, this is seamless. Okay, it has got this zip at the back. Quality is again 11 on 10. I am so much in love with this. Beach, you can definitely go with it on a beach or like anywhere you want. This is just perfect for any occasion. Goes with every top that you have in your wardrobe. So this is especially for bottoms. I especially pick out those colors and those patterns that will go with literally everything. This just makes it so easier for me to decide any outfit for going out anytime, any day I want. So now another beachy and summery top coming up, and you will definitely fall in love with this. These are the two tops that I'm talking about. So which one should I try first? Akkad bakkad bambe bo 80 90 pure 100 लाके धागा चोर निकल के भागा. Okay, so I'm gonna try this one first, and I think this top and this skirt are gonna go really well with each other. Let's try them out. It has got got this crochet fabric and these buttons. Honestly, anything with buttons is just so cute. Also guys, the color is off-white. Just falling in love with this. Okay, I hope you guys are rating all the outfits in the comment section one by one. And at the top that gives me pure girly vibes. Look at the color, this powder blue color, so yum. I just feel like eating it. It's so soft, and of course the color, it just goes so well with my aesthetics. This top just have that balance of, you know, showing your skin but not showing your skin at the same time. I'm so surprised. This is definitely my luckiest day because ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि कुछ ना कुछ return तो हमेशा करना पड़ता है. कभी size issue होता है, कभी fabric issue होता है. But look at the things. Everything just fits in so perfectly and the quality is again so amazing. Another thing that's coming up is so classy. When I say classy, one material that should come to your mind is satin. The skirt that I have is the satin skirt. It has got this slit in the front. The color and quality is so good. मैंने इसको खरीद तो लिया. Now I don't know किसके साथ मैं इसको pair करूँ. So let me know in the comment section if you've got any suggestions. I'm still confused. Let me know in the comment section. All the potatoes out here, I know you guys have great fashion sense. So I really need your help with this. Okay, that is it for the outfits, but the haul is not yet complete. I have gotten a lot of accessories as well as handbags. Yes. This is the puffer bag. This looks, oh my god, look at this. And this is a small, very cute Pinteresty purse. Oh, this is so cute. I am definitely gonna take it everywhere I go. Okay, next up, I also got this phone cover for my phone. I cannot show you the phone because I'm filming on my phone today. I know nobody has asked, but just for the details, I have iPhone 11, the basic one. Yes, I'm still using that iPhone 11. Okay, and this is the new cover for my phone. I am literally such a huge fan of these dainty jewelries. It has got this sweet black heart. I'm gonna put the photo here to know how this actually looks. That's it for the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and do let me know which is your favorite outfit, and I hope you guys have rated all the outfits. You guys in the comment section, and love you. Bye.